Good morning. Today, I from Mukhla Sanskrit Upsastri College is going to tell you all about the model might, means the use of might models in voice. In the previous videos or classes, we have discussed about the model can, could, shall, will, and may. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the might. Okay, so the might is the past form of may. Same as like can, could is the past form of can, should is the past form of shall, would is the past form of will, might is the past form of may. So the Hindi of might will be हो सकता था. Okay, so let us now come on the composition. A normal composition, that will be affirmative composition, that will be subject plus might plus be plus v3 plus object plus by and plus object. Okay, so I will give you the one example from the next time, means from the negative sentence interrogative. Try to form your own answer. So let us take an active sentence such as she might do this. Okay, so the passive will be let us again go by the our composition. This is the object here, we will write it here as subject. So this might be done, because do v3 is done, so this might be done by her. Okay, so this is the passive of the required active sentence. Now come to the negative sentence composition. Okay, so the negative sentence composition will be very much simple. Add not after the might, so the composition will be subject plus might plus not plus b plus v3 plus object plus by and plus object. Okay, so this is the normal negative sentence which include might as model. So now try to form your own active sentence and try to do the passive sentence. Okay, that will make you all much more better in doing the voice. So now come to the next topic, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is very much composition is similar, very much similar to affirmatives. The only difference that might will come first, like might plus subject plus b plus b3 plus object plus by and plus object and then question mark. Okay, so now try to frame your own active and passive active sentence, because how much you will frame your sentences will help you yourself to become more perfect in solving whys. So now come to the four types of fourth sentence, that is interrogative plus negative. Okay. So the composition is very much similar to negative sentence. The only difference is that might is again comes before the subject, and after subject not is there, then be is there, then v3, then object, then by, and then again object, then question mark. Always remember that in except in negative and affirmative sentence, question mark comes in every types of sentences. Okay, so now let us do the composition of fifth types of sentence, that is term sentence. Okay, so the term sentence composition will start from term only, and then add normal interrogative sentence such as might, then subject, then be, then 3 plus object plus by plus object. Okay, then question mark. Remember that the term sentence, a normal active term sentence, start from WH question, and the passive will also start from that WH word. Okay, so now come to the next and the last types of sentence, that is term plus negative. So it starts from term plus might plus subject plus not plus be plus v3 plus object plus by and plus object. Okay, so this is only the negative of this term sentence. So now try to frame your own sentences with respect to models, and all the composition of the models means all the compositions of might we have done. Now I don't think that any topic in might has been left out to any composition. So now try to do some question related to might, and if you all have any problem you can ask me through WhatsApp, and if you are not able to understand then again tell me, I will make it more simple. So try to do some more question with respect to might, and also you can use the models. The only common in every model is that you have to add model means like any model, then after that be, after the class means after I when I will complete the voice, I will tell you all a very simple trick to remember all the voice. Okay, so that's enough for today. Have a good day.